Day 2 at PNS orientation. I'm going to tell you like this. If you decide to go to PNS, I'm going to give you a little bit of game so you can get ahead. Start learning paper logs. And I'm talking about go ahead and do you some research on them and make sure you understand paper logs. Not just understand how to write them for your paper log whenever you have to use them if your ELD goes down. Make sure that you can spot a violation by looking at an already drawn out paper log. All right, now let's talk about it. So day 2, everyone gets to class and we get a quiz. And we know we're going to get quizzed on hours of service, but we didn't know that it was going to be like this. So we know that we got to do paper logs. We know we're not going to use paper logs, but you have to know how to do them and do them effectively just in case. All right. So we get our quiz for the day. And whenever we get that quiz and we start going through it, man, look, they wanted you to look at already drawn out paper logs and spot whether it was a violation and what kind of violation it was if it was a violation. So we're looking from from Sunday all the way through Sunday again. Not only that, we're adding together our hours to see how many hours we have left on our 70-hour clock for the week. And listen, if it's something you haven't done because you're a new driver and you're fresh out of CDL school, listen to me now and go ahead and get on this here YouTube and look up hours of service and look up violations on paper logs so that you can have a leg up whenever you get to PNS transportation. Now, this paper log quiz was so frustrating, we had a guy quit and go home. He's like, I hope they don't expect for me to know how to do this. Yes, they do. They already told us they were going to give us this quiz, and if we don't pass it with the 80, you get 2 chances. They already told you that. But just like everyone else in this class, you have the opportunity to learn, ask questions, get with some other people, get in a group, find someone else that you can deal with, and you guys can figure it out together, especially when you get back to the hotel. It's that simple. And in class, listen, Jose he will help you out as much as he can. All right. Jose will help you out as much as he can. All of them will. Jose, Corey, Josh, all of them will. You hear me? They will help you as much as they can. Great group of guys. All right. Don't just quit because you're having trouble and can't get through one quiz, because I guarantee you're not going to be the only one, especially if you haven't seen this video and know that that quiz is coming. So just like every other day, you're going to get to class, sit down, and you're going to fill out what it is that you want for lunch. They're going to give you a list of things. Put a check by what box you want, and if you want tater tots or fries. They're going to always have drinks in the refrigerator, from water, juices, soda, Gatorade, and they're going to always have snacks. So many different types of snacks. You're going to find something that you like, okay? Whether it's peanuts, trail mix, chocolate peanut nutty buddy bars, donuts, granola bars, honey buns. Listen to me. They're going to have snacks. They're going to have fruit. They're going to have all kinds of stuff there for you. Coffee, water, whatever it is that you want, you're going to have at least enough to get you through the day, all right? But for day 2, I'm telling you now, prepare yourself for that quiz, because it's go kick never mind. Now, you'll probably watch another couple of videos, learn some more stuff, but that quiz is going to be the main focus on day number 2. So if you're planning on coming to PNS transportation, once again, get on this here YouTube, figure out or go in Google and search hours of service and paper log violations so that you can go and look at the different violations and how to spot them, because that is extremely different from just having to draw out your paper log for everything that you've done for the day. And if you know what paper logs are, you know that at the end of them, you're going to have to count all of those boxes and make sure that all of your time equals out to 24 hours for the day. And if it equals out to more than that, then that's a violation.